welcome back to the Warrior Trading channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the Schaff Trend Cycle (STC) indicator, one of the most powerful tools for identifying trends and buy-sell signals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator can simplify your trading decisions. Let's dive in. Go to the indicator section and select the periods we use in this video. Lower band, 0.25. Upper band, 1. Slow length, 55. Fast length, 27. Length, 8. Today, we're going to explore the Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator, a powerful tool for identifying trends and predicting price movements. This video is divided in 4 parts. Number 1. What is the Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator? Number 2. How to use the Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator. Number 3. Tips for using Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator. Number 4. Explain. Number 1. What is the Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator? The Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator is a technical analysis tool developed by Schaff. It's designed to measure the strength of a trend and identify potential reversals. The indicator uses a combination of moving averages and cycle analysis to provide a comprehensive view of market trends. Number 2. How to use the Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator. Trend identification asterisk. The indicator plots a line that oscillates between 0 and 100. When the line is above 50, it indicates an uptrend. When it's below 50, it indicates a downtrend. Cycle analysis asterisk. The indicator also plots a cycle line that identifies potential trend reversals. When the cycle line crosses above the trend line, it's a bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's a bearish signal. Number 3. Tips for using STC effectively. Use it with multiple time frames for trend confirmation. Avoid trading during low volume periods to reduce false signals. Test the indicator on a demo account before applying it in real markets. Number 4. Explain the indicator. The Schaff Trend Cycle Indicator is a valuable tool for traders looking to identify trends and predict price movements. Remember to always combine the indicator with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis to maximize your trading success. The Schaff Trend Cycle is a fantastic tool for identifying trends and timing your trades. However, like any indicator, it's most effective when used alongside other tools for confirmation. So keep watching the trades and subscribe to my channel. trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.